What's good, guys? It's your boy Columbia Gaming 809 here. You already know. Welcome back to another video where today I will be teaching you guys how to hack Hungry Shark Evolution. Okay, so if you don't know what Hungry Shark Evolution is, it is a game that you get to be about you get to be sharks. It's a really cool game. I don't play, but it's a cool game. But I'm gonna teach you guys how to hack it and get it with unlimited money. Okay, so first things first, you want to go to YouTube. Yes, okay, so you're going to want to type Hungry Shark Evolution APK mod download Mediafire. Okay, so then you're going to want to just click search, and you're going to want to, the first one right here, this one, that says, the first one, you're going to want to click it. Okay. So, we're not really going to care about the intro or the video or anything. You just want to go down to this link right here. So, this link, you're going to want to click it. Okay. So, you're going to want to wait for it to load. You're going to want to click this green bar right here. And it's going to start downloading. So, as you can see right here, it's downloading. So, yeah, I will get right back to you guys when it's finished downloading. Okay, guys, so you're going to want to click open, and it's going to start showing the app. I'm just going to show you guys that it works. Okay, so it's going to say, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. You're going to want to press install. And now we're going to want to wait for it to install, and I'll be right back with you guys when it finishes. Okay, guys, so now the app is installed. You want to click open, and hopefully it's going to work. So, yeah, I'm not going to do gameplay videos about it because I don't really like this game. So, yeah. It says something here. Cancel. Says this here. I don't know what that means, guys. So I'll be right back with you guys when it's opened. Okay, guys, so here it is, Hungry Shark Evolution. It's a pretty fun game, you know. I mean, I used to play it, but not anymore. I got bored of it, guys. So yeah, we're waiting for it to load. If you okay, so just play with this guy. I guess just play with this guy, and then just wait, and it'll be good. Okay. So, yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, so, yeah. Oh, so as you guys can see here, it says, look how much money you guys got. Infinite money, yeah. Good. So, yeah. So, you guys right there, you guys have, good infinite money, and basically, you can buy anything with it. Okay, so you can buy yes, okay, cool. You can buy any shark size, you can buy okay, so let's say I'm gonna buy this one. Yes, you can buy the Megalodon, the Dunkleosteosis, or whatever. This app does come with all the sharks right here. This app comes with them. Special sharks. You can buy this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So yeah, you know what, guys? This I'm gonna do it for you, okay? It's gonna be pretty crazy. I'm gonna start a series for this. I know I said no, but I'm gonna do this for you guys, okay? So yes, tomorrow I'm gonna start making this YouTube series. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that wraps it up for the video. Stay tuned for tomorrow or later, probably. No, tomorrow I'm going to make the Hungry Shark Evolution video. But here's what's going to be. I'm going to use all the sharks one by one. I'm gonna use one each day. For every time, I'm gonna use them for 25 minutes every day. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I will see you all later. Peace.